Well, welcome everybody. My name is Clarence. I'm known as Sad Gandalf online, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the preview build of our Kickstarter demo. I'm going to walk you through a couple of things. The first thing that you'll actually see when you log in is going to be the character creator. We've already taken care of that here, and once you get through the character creator, you'll be kicked back to this screen. So here you're going to have a couple of options: single player, multiplayer, graphic options, sensitivity, brightness, a little bit of information about the game, and you'll also notice the new addition of the leaderboards on the top right. So anytime that somebody finishes a rift, it's going to check the level, and it's going to add you to the leaderboard based on the highest level rift. It'll give you your ranking. So you also notice that when you hover over one of these buttons, it opens up the portal. It's a cool little effect. So I'm going to go ahead and click single player. And now you'll be able to see the new sanctuary. So you'll see a lot of new improvements here. There's this whole new area for you to check out. I'll try to come over here to give you kind of like a panoramic view of the whole thing. Some water features, some sounds, some NPCs. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you get in here is come and talk to Mr. Malgus over here, and he's always going to give you a weapon. Now the next thing that you're going to notice is these NPCs that are scattered around the sanctuary. Each one of them, we actually added the ability. Let's start over here. We added the ability to walk up to this crystal here and break down armor and weapons that you've had, and it's going to give you these crystals. Now, each of these NPCs will accept one type of crystal, and you'll be able to buy a random piece of armor based on the color of crystal, based on the rarity of your gear that you broke down. Alright, so there's going to be four of these guys scattered around the sanctuary, and they all are going to sell you a different rarity of item. So pretty much in the sanctuary, that's it. Something that we added too is that if you jump in the water, you're going to die, and we added this new respawn screen. So it'll give you the option of respawning or going back to the main menu. If you click respawn, you'll always respawn at the circle. So moving forward, coming here to the rift, we added this cool new menu. You're able to pick your level of the rift now, and it actually affects it. And there's a new type of rift called the free loot rift. So we're going to go ahead and run one of those, and we will do an avoid rift. Choose the level, you open it, and you go right in. So here's the new void rift. We're calling this is a procedurally generated map, and we're calling it the Dwarf Ruins. Basically, since we're in the free loot mode, every time that the enemies spawn, their health is going to be multiplied by 0, and they're just going to kind of instantly die. So we'll just run through this level until we get to the boss. We'll fight the boss, and then we'll show you a couple of things here. And I'm really good at this game. So a couple of things you'll notice too is that when the enemies die, they have a corpse with a ragdoll that drops. These are health potions. This is what the items look like when they drop. There'll be a little icon floating, and you'll get an indication of what the item is. And then I haven't seen one right here. There's one. This is a mana potion. We're getting very close to the boss being summoned. You can see that the little purple bar on the bottom disappeared. Oh, there's the boss. So I gotta be a little careful. Alright. So we have defeated the boss. Now the new portal should spawn somewhere. Ooh, there you go. And now if I go to this portal, it's going to let me go back to the sanctuary. There you go. The last thing that I want to show you guys is the new inventory. We made it so that a few of the pieces are actually showing on the character now. Just trying to take them all off. We have this really cool drag and drop function. So now if you the weapon, which has a really amazing placement on the hand with this animation. But there's a few items, like the chest piece. We have a very generic original chest piece that our artist has been working on. It currently isn't textured, but it definitely looks cool. And there's a few pieces that we can wear: the shoulder, the chest, and the head as well. So the inventory also will show you your resources. It has an options menu in here as well. Return to menu button, and a leaderboard button also exists here. Okay. And you actually see that my record was added here, but I think I changed it to the computer name, so I need to go back and fix that. But that's pretty much all we got today. Thank you guys for watching, and I think that we're getting really close to being able to release this demo, and maybe we'll actually release a preview sooner than the Kickstarter. So, good luck everybody, and I hope to see you on the leaderboard. Have a great day.